Today, I'm removing the windbreakers from our chicken coop. We're definitely past the cold season, and this will give them just a little more ventilation. I've gone ahead and marked on each panel, left, right, front, and back. That way, when the cold weather returns, I can easily pop these things back up and use the same screw holes. I'm also starting to ferment the feed for our laying flock. I've got an older video about fermenting chicken feed, but here's a quick recap. It takes 3 days to ferment, so 3 buckets. Fermenting chicken feed makes more nutrients digestible for your chickens, so it's possible to save a little bit of money by spending just a little bit of time doing it this way. Today's day 1, so I'm going to add water to the first bucket. The second day, I'll add water to the second bucket, and so on. This warmer weather really made the grass grow fast in our pastures, and I needed to take care of it. Fermenting chicken feed takes 3 days. It takes longer than that for me to brush hog the pastures. I didn't shoot video of all of it, but here's a little taste of how I use the tractor in the open fields and around the trees. I do find some obstacles out here that are just a little too big to run over with the brush hog, so I have to take care of them somehow. It's day 2. Let me give you a close look at what the 1-day-old fermented feed looks like. It looks like it could use a little water. Those bubbles are what you want to see. day 3 of fermenting the chicken feed. This bucket has had 2 full days to ferment, and this bucket has had 1 full day to ferment. Tomorrow, we'll get to feed this to our laying flock for the first time. This rock will indicate to me which bucket I'm going to use next. Just before I use this bucket, I'll move it over to the next bucket, and then I'll bring this back to fill it up, and we'll start the whole process over again. Feeding this sloppy mess to the chickens is a little different than just the dry feed that I've been using. So I'm going to replace their feeder with this tray. To help get the chickens used to eating out of that, I'm going to go ahead and feed them their dry food in that today. Moment of truth. Let's see if the chickens like their new feed. The rest of the stuff will help be a starter for the next batch. My wife has been making cheese with our goat milk. This is whey, a byproduct of that process. It's good for fermenting. I'm going to go ahead and add it in. We've got some lucky chickens. I was hoping our laying flock would find this feed while I was doing the meat chickens. Come on, chickens. Look at this. Good, yummy food for you. Come on. Come on. Yeah, look. Trust me, it's food. Try it, you'll like it. There you go. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Remember, your dreams are closer than the moon. Thanks for taking this trip around the moon with us.